Hallöchen! Hello, my dear students! My name is Irina Movsesian, and I am going to teach you English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French, and Portuguese on my YouTube channel, Insta Language Online. Today, we are having our second class. We are learning Deutsch. We are learning German. And today, we're going to be talking about this wonderful verb to be. Das Verb SEIN. Sein. E in the combination gives I. S in the beginning is pronounced as Z. Sein. Das Verb sein. To be or not to be? That is the question. Of course to be. So, we are gonna be learning das Verb sein zusammen. Together. First of all, at our previous class, we learned pronouns ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie, sie. If you have not seen that video, please go to my playlist, Insta German, and watch the previous video. Today, we're going to be focusing on the forms of the irregular verb sein. In the German language, we will have weak verbs and strong verbs. The equivalent in the English language will be regular verbs and irregular verbs. So the verb sein is an irregular verb. That means that when we conjugate the verb, we have to remember all the forms. And we need those forms to introduce ourselves. To say, I am Irina. Or maybe I want to talk about my age. I'm 33 years old. Or maybe I want to say I'm single, or I'm happy, or I am a teacher. Maybe I want to talk about my feelings and my profession. So we need the verb sein. We need it. And we are going to conjugate it together. So get ready. Ich bin. Ich bin. I am. Du bist. Du bist. I tell all my students, put your arm, bist, bist. You need to feel the air when you pronounce t. Bist, bist, bist. If you don't feel the air, you're pronouncing it wrong. If you feel the air, sehr gut. Very good. You're on the right path. Er, sie, es. He, she, it. They have the same form. Ist. Ist. The second column, the plural. Wir sind. Sind. Die in the end is pronounced as t. T. Sind. 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 Okay. Ihr seid. Same thing. Die in the end is pronounced as t. Ihr seid. This combination, e, is pronounced as I. If you don't know it, write it out. Ihr seid. Sie sind. So, they and the polite form for you professor or you professors, singular or plural, they have the same form of the verb sein. Sie sind, sie sind. So you see the difference? If we use sie as she, we say ist. If we use sie as they or polite form, sind. Now close your eyes and try to remember as many forms as possible. Ich bin, du bist, er, sie, es ist. Wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind. Vice versa, from the bottom to the top. Sie sind, ihr seid, wir sind, er, sie, es ist. Du bist, ich bin. Try to do it several times and I guarantee you will remember das Verb sein fast. By the way, do you see I wrote verb with the capital letter? It's because all the nouns in the German language are written with capital letters. This is an article. We are going to be learning articles later. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel Insta Language Online and watch Insta German. That's the playlist where you can find all my videos. And also on my website, instalanguage.online. All right, guys. Also, I want to talk about this. Masculine, feminine, and the neutral. Ist, sie ist, es ist. So basically, sometimes we use es as it. It is John. Es ist Jön. But we can also say das ist. This is. You know, in the English language, we have it is and we have this is. Pretty much that's the same. Es ist, it is, das ist, this is. Okay, so when we use das Verb sein, when we introduce ourselves. Ich bin Irina. Du bist Katja. Ist Günther. Sie ist Anna. Wir sind Anna und Günther. So let's learn the word and. It's very similar. Und. 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 Wir sind Anna und Irina. Ihr seid Günther und Hans. Sie sind Günther und Anna. Okay? So that's how we introduce ourselves. Later on, when we learn numbers, we will say, ich bin 10. I am 10. Du bist 8. You are 8 years old. Or sie ist 20. She is 20. But later on. Now, just learn these forms. I love the German language. I'm going to hug it. I'm going to kiss it. I'm going to just, teach you the language every single day. Okay, guys. So basically, we learned everything. Little disclaimer. If you want to introduce somebody, you say, this is John, right? Or this is Günther. You say, das ist. Das ist Günther. Das ist Irina. Das ist Anna. Das ist Hans. Okay? Okay, this is all for today. Write it down. I love you. Danke schön alle. Thank you very much, everybody. Tschüss. I give private classes. So you can text me at this number +1 323 910 7690 and you can ask for private classes for English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French, and Portuguese. You can also send me an email, study@instalanguage.online. That's also my website, instalanguage.online, where you can find classes, flashcards, copybooks, books. I am building a language empire. I am inspiring every student that you can learn a new language fast. You can own the language. You can speak the language. You can enjoy the language. My name is Irina Movsesian. Welcome to my classes. I will make you speak the language, whether you want it or not. Bye!